How to fix TikTok not uploading videos. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now for this, you have to go on the TikTok application first. As you go on the TikTok application first, then you have to make sure some of the things. That first of all is that all of your permissions are given, and then you are connected to the internet. As you are connected to the internet and all the permissions are given, then you will be able to upload all the videos. But if this problem is still prevailing, then you have to go on the profile option, and then on these three lines that are located up above, and then you have to go on settings and privacy option. And over in settings and privacy option, you have to go down, and in the clear cache and server data option, you have to free up space option. Click on that, and then you have to clear your cache from here. As you clear your cache, then you have to upload it again, and this problem will be solved. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.